Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a business listing and the business directory backlink. So this is a website dashboard findushere.com, and before that we can ensure something about that website. According to Acharya, the domain rating is 73, and according to Moj the domain authority 45, and the spam score is only 4%, so it's considerable. And according to SimilarWeb, this website having 17k monthly visitors, and mostly traffic from UK, US, India, Australia and the Pakistan. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, so must you guys have to create your business listing and the directory backlink on that website. So we have completed our research process, so now we can move forward. So you can see this is the website dashboard, and before that, if you are new on this channel, so you can hit the subscribe and like button. Okay, so you can see there is a list your business button. You can click over there, and after that you guys can land on, so there you guys can scroll something and you can see create your free listing now. So you can click on, and again you guys can click for the create your free listing now. So you can see this is your dashboard, so where you guys can update your all details. So there you guys can select your country, then you guys can add your Mintonka, your region, and then Mintonka. Mintonka. Then you guys can add your business name. Then you guys can choose your category. So category is recruitment, EAC services. Human resource administrator of human resource. ठीक है. Okay. Then you guys can add your first name and the last name. Then you guys can choose your contact email again. Then you guys can choose your username, and then you guys can fill your password. Job. Then you guys can click for the create my account button, and the username already exists, please choose a different one. So okay, so you guys can click for the back button, and whether you can add something different, a user ID, username. I guess we have already created our account over there, so that's why these things are happening. Then you guys have to click for the create my account button again. Job not there. I can go to update username, are there now. Interview, and we'll click for the create my account. So you can see the details is updated. You guys have to wait a couple of seconds, then this website can redirect on the editing dashboard. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. Then you guys can update your all details. So there you guys can add your telephone number, your email ID. Then you guys can add your website details, website URL, and after that there we can update business logo. So this is a site, and there you guys can add your alt text, who is anyone can doing hover over your logo, so this message is going to pop up. And there we can add our business description. So I have generated short description for this business. Okay, so this is taking loading, so we can wait a couple of seconds. Yeah, so there we can add short description, then we can click for the update button. Each section, if you guys can doing any making update or any section, so you guys have to update each section separately. So you can see every section there are having a button to update. So this is your business listing directory landing page URL, and before that there you guys can update your latitude and the longitude. So I hope you guys will know how to find latitude and the longitude codes. If you guys are not, so simply you guys can type in Google, so latitude and the longitude finder. So you guys can found some websites where you guys can add your proper address, then you guys can receive latitude and the longitude codes. And there we can update our business address, and the postal code is 55305. so this is the postal code. So you guys have to click for the update. I guess we have added all the details, we have updated all the details, and this is our directory. So you can see this is our business logo and number, email ID. If you guys can click, then you guys can found your email ID, and simply we can check this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see it's a 100% do follow backlink. There is a no follow or no referral. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So it's a high quality do follow backlink where we have added all the details about the business, description, address, number, email ID, and all details. So this is the best website, so where you guys can add your business directory on findushere.com. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so from where you guys can connect with me easily. So for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request to you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.